Planetary exploration has been in the agenda of ISRO for a long time. As a first move, we have sent the first spacecraft to Moon in 2008. It is called Chandrayaan-1. It carried a host of instruments for monitoring the surface features, minerals of the Moon, and also depositing the what is called the Moon Impact Probe, which carried Indian national flag to the Moon. This has been a great achievement, and unique finding from this is that there is presence of water in the polar region of the Moon. A follow-up of this is the Chandrayaan-2, in which the spacecraft was sent around the Moon, and then again we tried to see a rover is taken down using a landing mechanism and try to conduct local experiments by collecting samples and so on. That is Chandrayaan-2. But unfortunately, it has reached only up to about 2 kilometers above the Moon surface. At the time, there was some small glitch in the landing sequence, and with that result, it has went and impacted on the Moon with a big velocity, shattering the entire spacecraft. So naturally, we had to find out what is the reason for this kind of mishap, why the failure has taken place. All those aspects have been addressed by the ISRO team, and today a robust Chandrayaan-3 is being prepared for launch, which will go within about 24 hours from now, and we hope that it will have a successful landing. It is an extremely complex mission. The GSLV Mark III is being used for this purpose, on which a spacecraft which will have the orbiter as well as the lander module and also the rover will be built into it. After the launch, it takes about a week or so to get into the lunar orbit. Then after calibrating all the instruments, etc., after a month, by about August 23rd or so, we will be ready for descent maneuver. The descent maneuver is going to be extremely difficult. We have to break the orbit of the Moon. From there, make the spacecraft descend very slowly and touch down in a soft manner on the surface of the Moon. After landing there, the rover will be uncovered and it will start moving around, collecting samples, carrying out chemical analysis, thermal analysis, spectral analysis, and so on. So that will give us a confidence as to the findings, what we had from the Chandrayaan-1 as well as Chandrayaan-2 is concerned. So this mission, Chandrayaan-3, is going to be a proving ground for all the complex technologies which is required for touching down on a unknown territory as part of the planetary exploration, and it is a small step towards the human presence of in the Moon or the Mars.